Hello everyone. Today we will talk insect classification and recognition of Hymenoptera. There are 4 knowledge points. First, main characteristics of Hymenoptera. Hymenoptera is the 3rd largest order of insects, after Coleoptera and Lepidoptera, including bees and ants. The wings are membranous, transparent, and the 2 pairs of wings are similar in texture. The antennae are curved and geniculate, different from the filamentous of Cryptopteryx and the maniliform of termite. More waist, abdomen base tightly into a thin waist, different from termites. The larvae are apital like bees, and polypetal like leaf bees have 6 to 8 pairs of gastropods. Social insects, such as ants, can be divided into queen ants, female ants, male ants, worker ants, military ants. Hymenoptera have both pests and beneficial insects. Second, natural enemies and resource insects. 1. Bees, making honey and pollinating, with a unique powder-carrying foot. 2. Bumblebees, also known as the big bee, a better pollinator than bees in the greenhouse. 3. Cliff bees, pure wild bees, one of the best honeys in the world, nest on rare cliffs and cliff branches. 4. Predatory predators. They include wasps, squaloa, and mud bees, such as wasps, also known as wasps, hornets, horned bees, and 7-leaf bees, of which black ventral wasp is the most poisonous and golden-ringed wasp is the largest. 5. Parasitic natural enemy insects, including ichneumon, cocoon, microbe, and trichogramma. Trichogramma has been widely used in production. 6. Trichogramma, tiny, 0.5 mm, egg-parasitic wasp, is currently the most successful biological control case in China, has been commercially produced. Each small bee card can produce 8,000 bees. Third, Hymenoptera pests.
The pests of Hymenoptera pests are symphida without waist.
1. Leaf bees. Larvae 6 to -8 pairs of gastropods, 2 to -5 pairs different from Lepidoptera larvae, line up to feed, including cypress, pear, and rose tin-3 2. Stem bees. Plant branches boring moth pests, affected branches wilting. There are pear stem bee, grape stem bee, rose stem bee. 3. Leafcutter bees. A semicircular or round piece is often cut from the leaves of plants and brought back to the hive. 4. 2 well-known Hymenoptera insects. 1. Killer bees. In the TV series The Legend of Miyue, Mishu framed Miyu's son with killer bees, which is an artistic process. There have been no killer bees in China since ancient times. Killer bee is just a folk name, a new variety produced by the mating of ordinary African bees and wild bees in the jungle of Brazil, spreading north to the United States. With a greater lethality to humans and animals, the main harm is its aggression. 2. Red fire ants. The scientific name Latin means invincible ant. Alien invasive species has occurred in many places in our country, including Wanzhou district, in urban parks, farmland, woodland, and other public areas have occurred. Aggressive and toxic or strong. So much for the Hymenoptera of insect classification and recognition. Goodbye.